Okay, so good day, Sir Virgilio. So first day 1 natin, we'll be working your chest and a bit of shoulders. So compound workouts yung gagawin natin. So first thing natin na gagawin is set natin yung dumbbells sa lightest weight, lightest setting. First, mobility and warm up. So yan, pagdikitin natin yung dumbbell. So position natin. Open, all the way up, and then close. So warming up the shoulders, rotator cuff. So exhale, pagtaas, and then inhale down. Again, check natin. Yung dumbbell po, nasa harap, sa thigh, yung palms, kung saan naabot, alright? Kung medyo mahaba yung dumbbell, ganyan siya. Then from here, tapos open, up, all the way up, and then close. So we'll be doing this for 10 repetitions. 2 sets lang. So, warm up lang naman siya and mobility ng shoulders natin. And then, check natin yung paa. Paa po. Check. Knees, hips align. Not too wide. Set stance lang. Okay? Then, slide bend sa knees. Hindi nakalock pag nakatayo. Slide bend. Okay? Para strong base. So, bend. And then, now check yung shoulders natin. Lift up. Pull back. And then, slide down. Again. Lift up, pull back, slide down towards your spine. Okay, so lock yung shoulders natin. Ayan yung gusto nating form. And then abs tight. Pag sinabing abs tight, ipit yung chan. Imagine parang may susuntok sa atin. Okay? So like this. So exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, inhale down. Yung dumbbell po slightly nasa harapan natin. Okay? Hindi po siya nasa side. Okay, gusto natin medyo nandito siya sa harapan. Alright, so 10 repetitions. 10 repetitions and then 2 sets warming up your shoulders. Okay? Next work natin po. Inchworm tayo. So, pakita natin. Again, same stance. Feet and knees align. Pakita natin. So, lie down. Touch the floor. Okay? So, kung mas naka-forward po, okay lang. Okay, pakita natin. Walk your hands forward. Alright? Tapos, pag naka-plank position na, hips goes up, rotate yung shoulder cup, and then down. Again, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. So, 3 repetitions, and then crawl back up. And that's 1 count. So, 1 and 5 lang. Pakita natin, profile. Okay, so from here, check pa. Okay, slide bend, crawl. Yung movement ng kamay natin is 1 hand lang, 1 palm. The smaller, tas slowly na-activate lalo yung shoulders natin. Slow movement. Okay. Tapos, plank position. And then from here, check. Hands, elbows, shoulder align. Alright. And then, check. Butt goes up. Rotate, check yung likod, flat pa rin. Push, then back. That's 1. And 2. 1 more. Tapos, crawl back. Then, reset. Okay po. So, pag push natin, so check. Andito na tayo sa form na to, sa plank position. Okay. Heel is up. Okay, nakataas po yung heels natin. Ankles at 90 degrees. Tapos, abs tight. Pull. Okay pa. Inhale, exhale. So, pull through your abdominal. So, ipit yung chan. Tapos, open yung shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Alright, tataas yung butt. Reset. Okay, so again po, so, inchworm, crawl forward using your hands. Okay? Tapos, shoulder thrust. Inhale. Exhale, pagtaas. Inhale down. Make sure flat yung likod natin, sir. Tapos, balik. Crawl back. And then, tayo. So, promoting natin dito, mobility ng posterior chain natin, hamstrings, ng glutes, gastrocs, tapos likod. And then pati yung shoulders natin. So warming up, preparing for the next set. Okay ba?